Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial will be a very special one from me, as today we are going to have a special guest, my mother, in the kitchen, and she will be showing us how to make delicious Nankhatai biscuits, one of our best childhood memories I've had as a child. They say your parent is a child's first teacher, and learning happens in the everyday moments you share with your child. So, Mum and Dad, if you are watching, I know I have learnt my cooking skills from you. So let's get started. We need 4 eggs. I'm going to crack those and add them into the mixing bowl. 2 packs of Anchor butter. I'm going to leave this on low heat so the butter can melt. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add this into the mixing bowl. Add 2 cups of semolina, give that a good stir. Add 2 cups of sugar, we are now going to mix this so all the ingredients are nicely combined. Add 6 cups of self-raising flour. Now the mixture that we've made is for about 50 Nankhatai biscuits. We are going to mix that for about 15 minutes so all the ingredients are nicely combined. Add about 2.5 teaspoons of ghee, and what we're going to do is we're just going to melt that and then add that to the mixture. We'll mix this for another 5 minutes so the mixture becomes all one. My mum is now going to make some small balls and place it onto the baking tray. She's now going to use a knife and just mark it with a cross on the top. So it's been about 10 minutes and I've preheated my oven, so it's on 180 degrees Celsius. This is one of our favourite homemade biscuits our mum makes, and I tell you what, whenever she makes this, they all go so quickly because everybody loves them. Right, let's get them in the oven. I'm going to cook that in there for about 10 to 12 minutes. And there we have it, my mum's mouth-watering Nankhatai biscuits. Thank you, Mum, for showing us how to make this today. So viewers, I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for my mum. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Keep watching and share with your friends and family.